Thank you so much for joining us at noon. I'm Karen Greer. Metro Atlanta hospitals forced to pick and choose who gets care as COVID cases surge. The harsh decisions are being made as COVID cases surge past 1.7 million in the last 24 hours. State health officials in Georgia reporting nearly 24,000 cases when you combine confirmed and antigen positive cases. CBS 46's Rebecca Schramm live outside Wellstar Atlanta Medical Center. And Rebecca, doctors say it's gotten so bad they're having to ration care for only the sickest of patients.
Not just here, Karen, but at hospitals all over Metro Atlanta. Already fatigued staff members are dealing with the overcrowding, and to pile on, supply chain issues are affecting the medical industry, and that's impacting Atlanta schools. Typically, Atlanta Public Schools do twice-a-week COVID testing for students whose parents have given the go-ahead, but today it's not happening. The district says it's because of ongoing nationwide supply chain issues that have impacted the inventory of the district's testing partner, Viral Solutions. Not necessarily a surprise for parents.
The supply chain is coming all the way down. It's a trickle-down effect that everybody's going to feel for a while.
1, 2, 3.
The shortage of testing could lead to families not realizing they should be isolating at a time when some Atlanta hospitals are experiencing a worse than ever surge in COVID patients.
It's wall-to-wall stretchers. We have no capacity left.
Dr. Robert Jansen is the chief medical officer at Grady Health System. He says Grady is at 110% capacity right now, and many of its sickest patients have the Omicron variant.
One of the myths that we keep hearing is that, well, it's not that serious. Well, perhaps it isn't for some folks who are lucky.
He says for those with heart disease, diabetes, sickle cell, and those with weakened immune systems, Omicron can hit them hard.
If they get infected, they get incredibly sick, much more than they usually would get sick, and they wind up in the hospital.
Many doctors say with more variants likely to come, the best defense is for people to get vaccinated and boosted. As for the shortage of testing kits in Atlanta Public Schools, Atlanta parent Shelton Oliver isn't worried about his kids.
We always take them to get tested off-site anyway. I prefer to do it ourselves and be there than just have people randomly test our kids. So for me,
If all goes well, surveillance testing at Atlanta Public Schools will pick back up next week. Live in Atlanta, Rebecca Schramm, CBS 46 News.
That's right, Rebecca. Thank you so much.